Hello, may I speak to Marcus? Hey, Marcus, this is John from Company XYZ. How you doing today? These are my favorite phone calls. I'm calling with some good news. We're excited to extend you the job offer for the marketing manager role. Family, this is one of the best calls of your career, getting the good news, but you have to handle it the right way. There's still one more step you need to negotiate. Here's how you should respond. That's very exciting news. Could you please send me the job offer via email? I'd love to discuss it with my family and friends. Thanks again. Let's go. Talking about? Bro, I'm so happy for you. You got the job offer, but lock in. We got to negotiate. I want you to use a framework I created a few years ago called EASE, excitement, analysis, salary ask, and eagerness. That's the structured way to counter this job offer via email. Here's more details. Yeah, it's time to get this back. So now that you've moved the negotiation to email, you need a framework. Y'all, please go to my YouTube channel. I created this framework 2 years ago called EASE, excitement, analysis, salary ask, and eagerness. That's how you structure your counter email to make the ask for more money. I'm going to link this in my stories, but please check this out. It's going viral on YouTube. It's my #1 most viewed video on YouTube. That's going to help you craft your email to get to the next part of this negotiation. All right, y'all, we finna get this bag. So you've countered the initial job offer via email using my EASE framework. You sent that to the recruiter. The recruiter is now going to talk to their internal teams, the hiring manager, look at the budget, see if they can move your numbers higher. During that time, be prepared for a phone call from the recruiter with the final numbers. Write down everything you put in your email on your notebook. Have your phone ready to talk about money over the phone. Hey, Marcus, this is John from Company XYZ. How are you? Great. First, I want to thank you for taking the time to consider this opportunity and giving us, for honestly, a well-researched counteroffer to our initial job offer. I have some new numbers. I'd love to talk it over with you if you have a few moments. All right. So, job offer was originally $60,000. Based on your counter, you're asking for $75,000. I did take this back to the team, and we came in at $70,000 for your base salary. I wanted to get your feedback from that number. Thank you for advocating for me. It sounds like, just to recap, the job offer was $60,000. After my research, I countered and asked for $75,000. And it sounds like after some internal discussions, the team came back at a number of $70,000. Do you think it's possible I can get a one-time sign-on bonus of $5,000 to meet my total compensation expectations? Yeah, I wish I knew about this earlier in my career. Just because you don't get the number you asked for the first time doesn't mean you should stop asking. Continue the negotiation and move to the sign-on bonus, which is a one-time payment, and it's a strategy that can be used to get the total compensation you want for that first year. I appreciate that. One last ask. I know I'm starting this job mid-year. Do you think it's possible that after 6 months that I can get a 6-month performance evaluation to potentially get another increase after I demonstrate value? Yeah, so many gems in this video. Let's go. This is what I call baking in the win, a strategy I've used to either get the sign-on bonus, which would be 5K in this example, or you get a 6 months performance evaluation to get more money instead of waiting a full year. Let's go. That's actually pretty reasonable, but let me take it back to the team. It sounds like the sign-on bonus is where we want to focus now to get you to that 75K, and then a backup will be the 6-month performance review to see if we can get you an increase. Well, let me take it back to the team, and wherever we land, I'm going to follow up via email with the final numbers, and hopefully we can get you to sign because we're excited for you to get started.